Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Woo! Like my mess? So I thought you'd like to see some of the behind the scenes of what do we do kind of in between the beautiful unboxing videos. Sometimes this happens after unboxing videos, so you're going to watch us clean up. I've got some Poshmark here that I've already listed that I need to put away. I've got lots of cardboard boxes I need to decide to either burn or keep. And then I've got some other products that I need to just organize. So you're going to watch the process from start to finish, and hopefully when we're done, it's beautifully clean.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Well, did you see the TV fall? Oops. We checked it. It's in good shape. Don't worry. So a lot of people ask, what do we do with the wooden pallets? And so, Paul, you want to show them the really nice wooden pallet? We actually put these on Facebook Marketplace, and I keep a listing of wooden pallets because I have various different ones, and we give them away for free. So there's a lot of people that do crafter stuff, and so we just give our wooden pallets away for free. I'm actually going to use some of this pallet because it's really nice, break the boards off, and lift my daughter's beds because they need a little bit of extra space with the new ones I put together with the carpet. We have really plush carpet, and they have drawers. So I'm actually going to take this one apart. So Paul's going to be nice and carry this monstrous heavy one. These blue ones are always heavy out the door. So and then we're just going to keep on working. So this is the stuff you never see. So this is the stuff that nobody really wants to do, but it's part of the reselling world because you end up with just so much extra cardboard with the pallets and so much extra stuff that you don't know what to do with. So we've got donate piles that are going out the door, and we've got you know, things that are just gonna go in the trash because they are legitimately trash, and then we've got things that we're gonna recycle. All right, so what it looks like right here is I've got all these boxes. These are all boxes of stuff that I still need to post. And so what I'm gonna do is rearrange these boxes. These are hard to move around, they're super heavy. And so what I wanna do is put them on the actual pallet. These are ones I have yet to unbox. And so we're gonna put them on the pallet so that anytime I need to maneuver stuff when I get new shipments and stuff, they're on a pallet and I can just use my pallet jack to move it around. All right, so we've pretty much got everything picked up. I wanted to kind of explain to you what I have left here. If you see behind me, all those drawers, I have 6 actual cabinets that span the length of the wall. That's where I keep all of my Poshmark for easy finding, or not so easy finding some days. Everything on top is stuff that I do have for sale that's a little bit too large. I don't have a space on my other shelves on my wall to put it. But this is all cases I need to still unbox, so you'll see those in the future. This is stuff that's already been gone through, but they just need to be listed. So this is soon to be listed. This is a bunch of like toys and some general merchandise. I will be unboxing this in the future. This is from Smart Lots, so you'll see that in the future. And then over here, this pallet is a bulk.com one that has basically miscellaneous general merchandise. But as you can see, all of it was blocked by the random extra boxes of stuff that I'd have shipped in, shipped out, things that came in other pallets. And so I didn't really have the ability to get access to it. So I needed to spend the time to get to it. And now I can move everything around easily with my pallet jack anytime I get another shipment in or anything like that. So that gives you kind of an idea of what I've got up and coming, and you know, some of the behind the scenes footage of stuff that I have to do in order to be ready and usable in this smaller space. A lot of people said I was going to want to make it bigger, but to be honest, if it was bigger, it'd be a bigger mess. So the next thing is just dispose of the things that I don't need, and then organize the things that I, took outside. A lot of that's some of it's gonna go to my house. You saw the 3 TVs that I had. Those were all spoken for already, and so I just needed to move them out of the way so that I could have access to the stuff I will be doing unboxings for. So hopefully it's been fun, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Don't you just feel so much better? It's so clean. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you know anytime I have a new video come out. Check out hookedonpickin.com for all the cool stuff that you see me unbox, and you can buy it right there. And then also you can always contact me there as well. Watch more of my videos. I definitely have some more up and coming with things I'm going to be unboxing. If you'd like to see a specific unboxing, go ahead and suggest it to me at hookedonpickin.com. If you've got a link of a pallet you want to see me unbox, I'll make sure it's profitable, but hey, I'd love to purchase it and show you what's inside. Thanks.